Good morning, kids. Good morning, Max. Wow, these are the most beautiful flowers I have ever seen.
Hey.
Whoa. Oh no! Marty stole one of your flowers? Don't worry, Max. I'll call Maverick. Maverick, Max needs your help. Max was gardening when Marty stole one of his beautiful flowers. You need to help him. Maverick is here. Don't worry, Max. You two can stop Marty.
Hey!
Watch out, guys! Phew, that was close. Oh, these plants are really upset. What should we do? Really, Max? That would be awesome! Ready, Max? That was close! Great job, kids! Maverick, Max, look! The carnivorous plants show you the way! Thank you, plants! This is really nice of you. Look over there! It's Marty! Kids, Maverick wants to use his booster speed. To help him use his booster speed, shout, "Booster speed!" 1, 2, 3! Booster speed! What's your plan, Maverick? You asked for help from the carnivorous plants? Marty, stealing is wrong. It is never okay to take and keep something that does not belong to you. Do you hear that, Marty? If you want to, Max can teach you how to take care of your flowers. Wow! What a day!
Yahoo!
Oh, ho, ho. Whoa!
Wow, so windy! Come on, guys! Work together! Uh-oh! Say, where'd Mia go?
Lili Mali Babu. Oh yeah.
No sign of her. Let's see if Maverick can find her.
Oh.
Oops, sorry, Maverick, but Mia's gone missing. Can you help? Let's go!
Hey, Mama, Minama.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Whoa, nice move! Guys, we can't find Mia. Can you help look for her? Milo and Mitch were flying kites with her at the racetrack just before she disappeared.
Yeah.
Yikes, the wind is strong today. We'll find her faster if we split up. Maybe she went in the forest. What's that? Nope, not Mia. But what's that sound?
Oh.
Hey, look, it's Mia! The wind must have knocked her off course. You're stuck up there, Mia? Oh, dear.
Oh. Huh?
It's not nice to make fun, guys. Well, that should teach you not to pick on Mia.
Whoa.
Quick, go get the others so we can get Mia down.
Yo. Oh.
Oh, good, you're here. How can we get Mia down?
Hey,
Great idea. We'll shake her loose.
Oh.
Wow, nice hit. There she goes. What's wrong? Oh, I see. Your kite is still stuck up there. Good thinking, Mo. Nice job! Have fun, guys, and hold on tight to those kites. See you next time, friends.
Hi, Mia. Looks like you're having real fun out there. Wow, Mia, that's impressive. Careful out there, though. No, careful, Mia. Oh my. Mia, are you okay? You've broken one of the pipes during your fall. The well is getting flooded. We need to call Maverick. Coming back real soon, Mia. Hello, little Maverick. Why so sad? Oh, I see. You wish this trampoline could take you way up in the air and make you fly? I'm sure you'll manage eventually, little one. I have a mission for you. Mia was doing some loops, but got stuck in a well, and it's about to get flooded. Can you fetch some help quickly? Mia, are you still there? The well is half filled with water, Maverick. Who should we call to help Mia? Milo and Mitch, of course. Let's go get them. Hi, monster cranes. Something happened to... Guys. Guys, listen. Maverick needs your help. Mia is stuck inside a well that is about to get flooded. Can you help her? Great. Let's go then. There she is. Quick, guys. She's nearly drowning. Don't you worry, Mia. Maverick has brought some help to get you down. Almost there, guys. Use your hook. Gotcha. Mia, try not to fall. Thanks for your help, cranes. You really make a great team when you work together. Now, how are you going to repair these pipes? Oh, boy. Maverick, Mia wants to give you a tour of the city to thank you. You're finally flying, Maverick. Enjoy.
Hey, kids! The forest is so peaceful, isn't it? Wow, you're driving really fast, Miranda! Oh, you're practicing your zigzag skills. It seems fun. Do you have to... Miranda? Oh, no! I'll call Maverick right now. Maverick, quick! Miranda is about to be swept by the current. Miranda was practicing zigzagging when the wooden bridge broke beneath her. Great idea! We need Milo and Mitch. But where are they? Let's go there then. Where are they? Look up here! Hey guys, what are you... Oh, you're lost, right? Maverick, Milo and Mitch are lost. You'll have to go find them. But don't get lost. Oh, that's your thinking face. And that is your idea face. Oh, great! You want to use one of your gadgets? Kids, you have to help Maverick to get his gadget. Say, grapple. 1, 2, 3. Grapple! Well done. Let's find Milo and Mitch. Which path leads to Milo and Mitch? Is it the blue path? You're right. It is not the blue path. So which one is the correct path? The red path. Yes! You're right. Come on, Maverick.
Hey. Hey.
Great job, Maverick.
Hey.
Oh, I see. You attached your grapple to the entrance so you won't get lost. That's brilliant, Maverick.
Hey.
You did it, guys. Now let's go to Miranda. She was driving into the forest when the wooden bridge collapsed. You're right, Maverick. Kids, Maverick wants to use his booster speed to see how Miranda is. To help him use his booster speed, shout, booster speed. 1, 2, 3. Booster speed! Where's Miranda? Here she is! Miranda! You can do it, Miranda. Come on! Yes! Mitch, Milo, over here!
Mana-mana,
Can you use your hook? Throw it further, guys! Miranda can't grab it! Come on! You can do it, Miranda! Oh no! The current is so strong! One more time! You're almost touching it! Yes! Courage, guys! You did it! Are you okay, Miranda? Oh! Apparently you are more than fine then. Thank you guys for saving Miranda. Bye-bye, monster trucks.